what would you want to say to your 80-year-old self? And I also bring this up because like towards the end of the show, may parang VO or like nakalagay doon na saying, which really struck me. Yung sinabi na parang, here's to all you've been through. And I think that was also the title of the last episode.
Yes.
So kaya parang ko like, holy shit, parang here's to all. Cheers to the life that you've led. And that is something you would say to yourself, I guess, when you're older or someone who's older, diba? To celebrate their life. So ikaw, kung pupunta ka in the future para kausapin ng 80-year-old self mo, what would you tell them?
Ako siguro, dalawang bagay. Si Eson, di ba? Malinaw nung bata, nung nag-aaral pa lang siya, malinaw sa kanya na kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin.
Yes.
At yun ay maging isang makata, maging isang poet. Pero sinakripisyo niya yun, kinalimutan niya yun dahil alam niyang merong mas mahalaga kaysa sa personal niyang pangarap. Pero ang isa naman sa mga biyaya nung palabas na yon, nakita natin yung scale nung palabas, kasi nakita natin sa huli na nagkaroon siya ng pagkakataon na balikan towards the end of her life yung kanyang original na pangarap nung kanyang pagkabata. Na-realize ko lahat tayo merong mga ganon masidhi, malalim na pangarap kabataan natin. Kailangan nating isakripisyo dahil sa mga realidad ng buhay. So siguro isa sa mga una kong tatanungin sa 80 years old na sarili ko. Napanikan mo ba yung o talagang kinalimutan mo na yung masidhi, malalim at isa sa mga unang pangarap mo kabataan. Alam nyo naman yun, di ba?
Yes.
Alam nyo na ang pangarap ko talaga ay maging artista ng teatro. Pero di siya nag-pan out as kung paano ko siya in-imagine. Kasi nga, may mga realidad sa buhay na kailangan kong harapin in the same manner na doon ko na medyo na-compare yung sarili ko kay Eson. Kailangan ko isakripisyo kasi meron ibang bagay na mas kailangan pagtuunan ng pansin. Okay ba? Wala ka bang pagsisisi? Nagawa mo ba yung lahat ng mga gusto mong gawin? At nasabi mo ang lahat ng mga gusto mong sabihin?
Yeah. Grabe, wala ka bang pagsisisi? Whew.
A life well lived, di ba? No regrets.
Exactly.
No regrets.
Tinapon niya yung pangarap niya for the person na mahal niya, na kahit maghirap sila.
Siguro ako yung pag makausap ko yung 80-year-old self ko naman. And this has always been in my head. Matagal na to. Na, okay, medyo morbid ha. Pero parang, morbid, pero kasi it will eventually happen. But when I finally cross the Rainbow Bridge, because I'm a cat. When I finally cross the Rainbow Bridge, ang gusto kong tumutugtog is Let's Get Loud. Because I want it to be a celebration of my life. Alam mo yun. And kaya that last scene talaga, naiyak ako ulit. Nung nasa deathbed na si Guanxik, tapos sabi niya kay Esu na parang, when you look at me the last time, I want you to smile. I mean, I don't want to see you cry. I want you to smile. Alam mo yun, send me off with a smile. Parang gano'n. I mean, that's how, parang disregard doon masyado of people's feelings. But you can cry and smile at the same time. And for me, parang yun din yung gusto kong maging pangyayari. Na parang she lived a good life. And I think what I would tell myself is, I'm glad you had fun.
Yun naman yung mahalaga eh. Naging masaya ka ba?
Exactly.
Naging masaya ka ba?
Exactly.
Correct.
Sa akin, yung kanta is Hot ng 70. We'll drop it like hot.
Kasi mainit sa impyerno.
Hot. Ay, grabe. Yung ano sa impyerno. Gusto ko lang sumasayo yung mga tao na. Na-joke lang. Wag naman hot. Pretty you. Charis. 17 fan pa rin ka.
Yun.
Diba? Or beautiful, tapos may confetti.
Saya. Habang binababahan na, beautiful!
Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos may confetti din na nakashape ng bulaklak. Para masaya lahat ng tao. Yan yung gusto ko. Pero grabe kasi bilang age reveal, magpo-40 na ako this year. So, napaisip ako na, wow, 2065, I will be 80.
Fucking hell!
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa 80-year-old Pia na parang, girl,
Halfway through.
I know, right? Girl, 80 ka na, inom ka pa rin ng inom ng whiskey, go! Yan yata yung secret,
Go, go, go.
pampahaba ng
Ganon.
buhay.
Live your
Ganyan.
life!
Yes, enjoy all the Dalmores, ganyan. Wow,
Love
name,
it.
brand drop. Can you tell me how you were able to get through all the hard things? Because somehow life has a way of giving you all the hard things all at once, all in one blow, and it's hard. Tell me how, because it's so hard. And I just want to go forward to that place where I can just drink my whiskey and just be happy with my life. I can't wait to finally just relax and look back because right now, I'm so tired of looking forward. Yun lang, kay 80-year-old Pia. Because sure akong happy siya at wala siya sa space kung nasan ako ngayon.
Naway bisitahin mo 80-year-old Pia, si turning 40-year-old Pia tonight.
Nakakatakot. Tapos sumasayaw din siya. Alam mo yung masakit na yung likod niya pero nag-hot-hot pa rin.
Correct! A lot of hugs for you. Cheers,
Cheers.
to a life that is well lived or will be well lived. What?
Yes.
At sa mga sarang base na nakikinig ngayon, and pinagninilayan nyo rin yung tanong na yan, good job. Joke lang.
I think yun yung, di ba, yun yung kinaganda ng mga drama tulad ng When Life Gives You Tangerines. Mga slice of life na drama. It makes you reflect na gagamit
Very
mo siya
much
bilang
so.
benchmark.
Yes.
Comparing your life and makes you reflect. Kamusta yung estado ng buhay ko ngayon as compared to this, and helps you navigate the complexity of your own path.
Correct. Totoo yan. So to more dramas like these,
Yeah.
that the written well, acted well, makes you feel a lot, and you will carry it. You will carry it for a very, very long time, and you will learn a lot from it.